Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter on mathematics for class 10 standard, and the chapter is quadratic equation. Let's start. Before we start the chapter, first I want to tell you what do we mean by quadratic equation. Well, any equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. For example, if I take 3x square plus 7x plus 8 equals to 0 is a quadratic equation, where a is indicated by 3, b is 7 and c is 8. Now if we solve values of x of 3x square plus 7x plus 8 equals to 0, we will get two values of x, and those two values of x will be the roots of the quadratic equation. For instance, if I take 1, we can do it by middle term break. Suppose what is the coefficient of x square here? 1, and this one value a is 1 and c is minus 10. You just multiply the digit 1 into 10. What we are getting? 10. 10 you can get like 5 into 2 is also 10. Now if I subtract 2 from 5, we get 3. So we can split the middle term, this 3, as 5 minus 2. Here we write 5 minus 2, and here x minus 10 equals to 0. Now we need to split this bracket. X square minus into plus minus 5x, sign of 5 is plus, so minus into plus is minus, sign of 2 is minus, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x, minus 10 equals to 0. Now if I take common between these two, we get x, so we are left with x minus 5, and if we take common between 2x and minus 10, we get 2 as common, and inside the bracket we get x minus of 5 equals to 0. Now in this 2 we are getting x minus 5 as common, and we are left with x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we can write, see, x minus 5 into x plus 2 is 0. When it is possible, either x minus 5 will be 0 or x plus 2 will be 0. So we can write either x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. If x minus 5 is equals to 0, we get x equals to 5, and if x plus 2 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 2. These two values of x, that is 5 and minus 2, are the roots of the equation. We can say 5 comma minus 2 are the roots or zeros of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 7x plus 8 equals to 0. Now we will learn how to find the roots of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. First we will write, let the given equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0 in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here see, coefficient of x squared is a, and here coefficient of x squared is 2. It means a equals to 2. Similarly b equals to minus 7 and c equals to 3. Here we will write it. Then discriminant is d b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 7, minus 7 square minus 4 into a, value of a, into c, value of c. We get 25. Then we will find root over d, that is root over 25. We get plus minus 5. Now by using quadratic formula, what is quadratic formula? It is x equals to minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. Just you put the value of b and root over d, you get minus of minus 7 plus minus 5 by 2 into 2. You get 7 plus minus 5 by 4. You have to take two values of x, one for plus, another for minus. If you take plus, you get x equals to 7 plus 5 by 4. On solving, you get 12 by 4, that is 3. And if you take minus value, x equals to 7 minus 5 by 4, that is 2 by 4, that is x equals to half. Therefore, two roots are 3 and half. Well, we have got the third sum. We have to find the roots of the equation x minus 1 by x equals to 3. Here what we have to do, first we will write the equation and then we have to take the LCM of it. So if I take the LCM, you are getting, here you can write x by 1, x square minus 1 equals to 3. That is, x square minus 1 is equals to 3x. This x is multiplied over here. So you are getting x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So the quadratic equation is, we have got the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now here we will be applying quadratic formula. It means here coefficient of x square is 1, that is here 1. Coefficient of x is minus 3, it means b is equals to minus 3. And constant terms c equals to minus 1. You remember the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will find discriminant. Discriminant is indicated by capital D. It is equals to b square minus 4ac. We get minus 3 of square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. That is 9. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 1 is 4. We get here 13. Quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. If we put the value over here, we are getting value of b is minus 3 plus minus root over d means root over 13. Value of d is 13 by 2 into a means 1. We are getting 3 plus minus root over 13 by 2. So we will take one's plus value and then minus value. Therefore, x is equals to 3 plus root over 13 by 2 and x is equals to 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Therefore, 2 zeros are 3 plus root over 13 by 2 and 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Well, in this equation you have to find the zeros, and the quadratic equation is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. It do not look like quadratic equation. So first we have to write it in the form of quadratic equation. How is it possible then? First I will write this equation and take the LCM. What will the LCM? X plus 4 into x minus 7 will be the LCM. So here if you divide this part with x plus 4, you are left with x minus 7, and x minus 7 into 1 is x minus 7. Here I am writing into 1 minus. Now this x plus 4 into x minus 7, if you divide with x minus 7, you are left with only x plus 4, and x plus 4 into 1, you will write here x plus 4 into 1 equals to what is there? 11 by 30. Now you simplify it. The x minus 7 into 1 is x minus 7 minus 1 into x plus 4 is x plus 4. And here if you split it, you are getting x square plus minus 7 plus 4 into x plus 4 into minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. Now you check here, if I split the bracket, you are getting minus into plus minus, minus into x is minus x, minus into plus is minus, and here nothing is written, it means there is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Now here you see minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 x plus into minus minus 28 equals to, okay, I am first simplifying it. X minus x you are getting cancel out. Minus 7 and minus 4 is minus 11 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to plus 11 by 30. See, this part I have written now. Now what you see, this 11 and this 11 gets cancelled out. So you are left with minus 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 1 by 30. Now if you take the reciprocal on both sides, you will get x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 30. Now I am splitting this. You are getting minus x square plus 3x plus 28, 30. If I bring it this side, it will become minus 30 minus x square plus 3x minus 2. 28 minus 30 is minus 2 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It means a equals to minus 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 2. Therefore discrement will be b square minus 4ac, that is 3 square minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 2. You are getting 9 minus 8. See here, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 4 into 1 into 2 is 8. The d you are getting 1. Now by quadratic formula, by quadratic formula, what we get? X equals to minus of b plus minus root over d by 2a. So minus of b, what is the value of b? Value of b is 3. Plus minus, what is the value of root over d? Root over d means root over 1. 2 into a. A is what? Minus 1. We are getting minus 3 plus minus, root over 1 is 1 by minus 2. Now first I will take this plus value. X equals to minus 3 plus 1 by minus 2. We get minus 2 by minus 2, that is 1. And x equals to minus 3. Now I am taking this minus value. Minus 3 minus 1 by minus 2, that is minus 4 by minus 2. You are getting 2. 2 zeros are 1